This video will be about utilizing the resource section in Schoology. This is a great section for saving items for assignments, test quizzes, stuff that you create from year to year, because each year your course will be deleted. So this will be deleted this week. My science courses were deleted at the end of the year, but your resources are not deleted. So I've saved my entire 8th grade science course into my resources, and now I have access to it for next year. It's also a great resource for when you're planning together, because if you're using common assessments or common assignments, you can create a shared group where you can just throw in whatever you did, and your curriculum partner can grab it from that place. So to save something to a resource, this is my virtual summer school class. So let's say I wanted to save an assignment. So to save an assignment, I would click the gear and then save to resources. I want to put it in my home collection because that's my own personal one. And then I can put them in a folder if I have one. So I would save a copy. If you notice, it says save a copy, which means that if I change this in my course, it will not change what I just added to my resource. And if I pull something from my resources, it makes a copy of it, so you're never changing the original. I can also copy entire folders to my resources, which is useful when you're done with a unit. I would suggest saving at the end of a unit or at the end of the school year, because again, if you make any changes in here and you upload it, and you make more changes, the resources one is not going to make those latest changes. So once I add something to my resources, I can find it by clicking on resources and then personal. And it's in my home. So what I just added is right here at the bottom. If I want to take that resource out and add it to a class, I would click on the gear and click add to course. And I only have 2 courses right now, but I would click to whatever place I would like to add that material. I can put it in a folder, I can change the points, and then I would just click add. I didn't select a category. Again, it makes a copy of it, so the original is going to stay in this resource folder. Something else that you can do is you can create a shared resource collection. So for example, we have an 8th grade science group where we can add materials. And to create a shared collection, you click on this file box with the plus sign right here, and you name your collection. So I'll name example collection. Okay, you can share. Here's my example collection. You can share it with people. So if you notice, it goes to Freedom Middle School, but I could also share it with the Heritage Middle School science teachers. And I would just type in somebody's name. So I'll do right here, and then I'm going to add. Now, one sort of tricky thing is after you share it, you have to go back and change the permissions. Right now, Kristen can only view the collection, but I want to make sure that she can add stuff as well. So I would need to go back and click Save Change, or click Can Edit. And again, to do that, I go into that collection, I go to Sharing, and then I change this to Can Edit. So now we can both add common assignments, common assessments to this folder in our resources. And we can both pull them out without changing the originals.